So now let's see how we can work around with the align option inside of a vector right here. So let me just go around over here under shape and then click on, let's say for example, this particular shape right here, and then bring this in. So this is what I have. Let me just go around, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V right here and make some duplicate out of this as well. So now let's see how we can go around and align out these objects. So to do that, I'm going to select out these shapes right here, and then I'm going to go around and right click, and over here you can see that align is an option. So here you can see that you can horizontally align to the left, and everything gets aligned to the left, as you can see right here. It takes the leftmost object right here and aligns out everything onto the left once you go around and select horizontal align left right here. Let me just go around and further move these apart right here. Let me select this and right click and go to align and horizontally align this to the center. Once you do that, it takes the centermost point out of the selection and aligns everything out to the center. And similarly, I can go around align everything to the right as well. So it takes the rightmost objects and aligns it to the right. Vertically as well, you can go around onto align and align everything to the top, as you can see right here. You can align everything to the center and align everything to the bottom as well. And that is how the alignment option works inside a vector. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.